Okay, let's be real. Process documentation just sounds like a chore, right? It's one of those things everybody knows they should do, but nobody really wants to. Stick with me though, because we're going to flip that whole script. We're going to look at it as one of the strongest tools you've got to make your business less chaotic, more resilient, and ready to actually scale. Now, let me ask you something, and I want you to really sit with this. Where does the day-to-day knowledge that actually makes your business run live? Is it in a system everybody can get to? Or is it locked away somewhere a lot more fragile? Truth is, there's only two options. One, it's trapped in people's heads. That's the danger zone. Fragile, risky, bottlenecks everywhere, and it makes scaling feel impossible. Or two, you've got it sitting in a system. That's where you get resilience, continuity, the ability to train people quick, and real room to grow. That brings us straight into the knowledge trap. You've seen this before, your whole setup depending on one or two key people. They're the heroes, but what happens when they're not around? Holiday, sick leave, or they just move on. And listen, this isn't theory. I've seen it play out. A company's top account manager left, and one critical sales process just stopped. Whole team spent weeks scrambling, trying to piece together what she used to do from memory. Massive waste of time, momentum gone, stress levels through the roof. So how do you fix it? You start by measuring the risk, and that's where this simple metric comes in. Process Documentation Completeness, PDC. Think of it as your resilience scorecard. It's just a percentage. It shows you how much of your core business knowledge is actually written down and accessible. It's the clearest way to see if your business runs on people or on systems, and you don't need fancy software to work it out. The maths is dead simple. Count up the number of core tasks you've got documented. Divide it by the total number of core tasks in your business. Multiply by 100, and boom, that's your PDC score, a snapshot of your operational health. Now, that number tells the whole story. So if your score has you sitting between 0 and 40%, you're in the red. Super vulnerable. Middle range. You've got bits and pieces written down, but it's patchy. Where you want to be is up in that high PDC zone. That's where your business runs like a machine, whoever's steering it. Bottom line, low score equals high risk. High score equals resilience and scale. You get to decide which side you're on. And here's the best part. You can move the needle in just an hour. 1 hour. Here's how. First, mindset. Forget the idea of writing the perfect 50-page manual. That's procrastination talking. The mantra here is usable, not perfect. An 80% decent checklist that your team can use today beats a flawless document that never leaves your desktop. So here's your 60-minute sprint. 1. Pick one process, just one. Something important but fragile. Something only one person really knows. 2. Hit record. Use a screen recorder. Do the task and talk out loud while you do it. 3. Turn that into a simple, numbered checklist. No fluff. 4. Drop it somewhere central and searchable. 5. Have a teammate test it. Wherever they stumble, fix it. Do that once and you've already won. But the magic is in making it a habit. 2 rules keep it alive. Rule 1. If you're doing a task for the second time, document it. Don't wait for the third. Rule 2. If you improve a process, update the doc on the spot. That's how your system stays alive, relevant, and actually useful. And really, that's the bigger picture. This isn't about building a dusty library of documents. It's about rewiring how your business works. From fragile to scalable. From hero-dependent to system-driven. That's what gives you growth you can trust. So let me leave you with this. What's one process in your business right now that's just one person's holiday away from falling apart? Find that process. Spend an hour on it. Fix it today. You'll thank yourself later. And if you want to go deeper, learn more about process documentation and get in your business AI ready, jump over to Phicient.com. Or if you want us to run a full workshop for your team, just email training@phicient.com and we'll set it up.